Yep, stuck here. Oh, surprise! Fried chicken. Must be a popular place. Hi, man. Chicken and stew. Yeah. Prisoners. Poor prisoners. I'm sure you have fun keeping them at home. Wow. Yeah, we are again in the Philippines. For for some reason, we ended up here. We go to yeah, we are in Cebu again. Yeah, we go to night market. Yeah, I think they sell food and so on. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we pass now. Fuck this shit. Here you don't see many white tourists. I mean Europeans and so on. You only see Koreans, Korean, Japanese, Chinese. Let's see what they sell. Ah, it looks nice. Cucumber, aubergine, garlic. Maybe they have some cooked food as well. I don't know. This is just look at this. Hi. Dried fish. If you have the stomach. Look at this. Do you eat it like chips or what? I don't know. And some diarrhea recipe. Well, looks nice. Well, Philippines is controversial. I don't know. I don't like it here. I mean, I like it here, but I don't like to eat here, actually. I mean, if you don't like fried chicken, it's very likely that you don't like it here. Mango. Yeah, smaller than the Thai ones, but looks nice. Hello, how much is this? 30. 30, okay. And this?
10.
10? I give you 51 on this, yeah? No, it's good. It's okay. Enough. Yeah, good, yes. 1 and 1. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Some chili. Wait, I have to put it in my bag. And I put it here. Hello, doggy. Hello, good boy. Sorry. Sorry for the hustle. I think it's gonna be quite some time that we visit Asia. We will be more in Europe and more, I don't know, Middle East. So I have to take what I can. So chilies, I love chili, so yeah, Philippines. It's nice. I bought for 10 and this is 120. I don't know. They look the same. Maybe they are more, maybe it's a kilo, I don't know. This is good. 40 pesos a kilo. Looks like tomatoes. I don't know. These are really nice. I mean, if you look, you think they are very small, but they are very juicy. So, some platanos. I think platano. Not like a banana. They look like banana, but they are not banana. What do we have? Potato, 90 peso. I mean, I don't know the prices here. I'm not converting them, but always think this is an island, so everything. I mean, not everything, but most of the things. It's a big island, but most of the things that come here come from mainland or other islands or imported. So it's not necessarily cheap. Manila was the same, I think. What was I saying? Yeah, white tourists. They go to Palawan and Boracay. Yeah. So let's see here what's going on. Bombay garlic. Some beans. I mean, look at the carrots. They look nice. Potatoes as well. Yeah. I wish I have a kitchen here and I cook, you know. Should be nice with these ingredients. And I promise I wouldn't put like pork, because like most of the things they cook here is you cannot avoid. I mean, if you want to avoid pork and fried chicken, you have to go for pizza or I don't know, like rice, things like that. Yeah. Coronavirus. Some people still wear masks. I mean, less than. Oh yeah, meat lovers. Okay. I wanted to go there, but here it's also nice. I mean, I imagine myself coming here. I imagine myself coming here and making shopping. What's this? Carbon. Yeah. Are they closed or is it over? Everybody ate. Today is Sunday, so I don't know. Yeah, look. I wish I had hair like this. I have no hair, so I mean no hair on my head. Carbon. I think this part is like they're going home now. Well, I mean this place reminds me ACCRA. If you have seen our video from ACCRA, but I mean people are much more friendly here. So. Hello. Oops. Hello, good boy. San Miguel. Nice beer. You have the light one as well, and the light one it's 5 degrees. I mean 5% alcohol, but easier to drink, so it's nice. Yeah, maybe. Let's go to this place here. I think they are going home. I was wasting too much time drinking beer. I should have come earlier. Oh well, you know. Sunflower shops, flowers. You don't need flowers. Pharmacy. Well, we don't need pharmacy as well. What, they don't eat now? I mean, this was Spanish colony. Spanish people eat very late. Golden drug. What do you have? Paracetamol. Oh. Let's go here. What do we have? Purified. Okay. This looks alive. Oh. It's nice. I mean, I bought everything, all the chili from the first shop I saw, but I think they are like the same produce. So. What's this? Onions, garlic. Yeah. No one is cooking food, only selling vegetables and dried fish.
Hello, my friend.
Hi man, take care. Garlic. We love garlic. Mango. Yeah, let's go there. This side. Frozen fries. Frozen food actually. Wow, wow. Ah. I mean, yeah. Rice. I will put Filipino food to the last position in Asia. Like if you visit Thailand and I don't know, Vietnam, the food here is shit. Well, maybe you like fried chicken and rice. Oh. Let's go. Like, I mean, all the stews. Hello. More friendly people than Accra from Ghana, for sure. Much more friendly. I don't know. You decide if it's appetizing or not. Rice. and stew. Oh yeah. No, let's check it out. What's going on here? Welcome to Sitio Bato. Something interesting. I don't know. The other side seems more interesting. Let's go there. If there's nothing, we come back. I don't know. I haven't eaten anything today. I just drank like 4 or 5 beers. I mean, just like 33 centiliters. It's not a big deal. Like they have, what do they have? I mean, I think I will end up like this, eating either Thai food or pizza. I don't know. Maybe I drink more beers. I hope I take the right choice. I make the right choice and drink more beer because food is shit here. Look at this, fry in motor oil. Hello. How are you doing? How are you? How are you? Look, fried. Well, what I know is I have to take a shower after here. Stink like dead fried chickens. Pork skin. I think this is like pork skin. Yeah, I hope they don't take the camera. If they do, they do, you know. Yep, stuck here. Because of this fucker who parked here. Hello. What's this? Pineapple. Okay. What's this? Rice. Rice and chicken, let me guess. Lemon, chili, garlic. Yep. Oh. Butchery. Butchery. Look, they have chicken legs and intestines, I think. And fish shop. Hi, man. Vegetarian, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Deep in the village. Hi. Chicken, fish, some colorful fish. More fish. Poor animals. They are fucked. They are dead. They left their loved ones behind. What's this? 9 pesos a piece. 8. I don't know. I will check. Eggs in Turkey are very expensive nowadays. This hurts me a lot because I like eggs. Where is love? Let's check this side. I liked it here actually. Some boiled vegetables, garlic, eggs. Hello. Eggs. This is the egg section. I mean, sharp eyes can notice that they are not in the fridge. So, I don't know. You decide. Yeah, for a while we will be maybe some Africa videos, I don't know, towards the end of summer, I don't know. We have, I think at the end of the month we will have like Athens, Greece, but Asia, I don't know. I want to go to Bangkok. I don't want to come to Philippines for a while. I don't want to come here. Hi man. Hi, how are you doing? Hi. Go home. School day tomorrow. Okay. Different section. Clothing. I mean, can we pass? I mean, I try. I mean, I came here like 5 times, so I try. I do my best. I do my best to like here, but you know, only with 5 beers, then I'm more sympathetic. Well, someone vomit, maybe kid. I don't know. Well, I think there must be some contraband here, so I hope YouTube doesn't block us. Well, if they do, what to do? Oh shit, what's going on here? Look at this, we are stuck. Well, since I come from Istanbul, I don't care. I can walk, can find my way. Yeah. What's this? Pink Panther? Let's check it out. Oh, he looks pathetic. I mean, it's 35, 36 degrees Celsius. And you are wrapped in plastic. Wow. This looks like an eating place. Oh, surprise! Fried chicken. Vermicelli, I hate vermicelli. Pork skin, fried chicken, look at this. It's your coronary disease recipe. Hard to breathe. Okay. Yeah, they continue to eat. I was wrong. Sorry. X. Well, I'm not getting in front of the queue. I'm just watching, so. But this looks nice if you eat meat. It looks nice. Must be a popular place. Like all these people waiting. Let's check other places. Hot pot. Well, something like hot pot. Oh, white man. Let's see. Let's see what I have. Pork. I'm sure it's pork. Meat. Chicken. Fried chicken. Shrimps, oysters. One-way ticket to diarrhea. What's this? Fish. Interesting combination. I have no idea. This looks interesting to me. Well, not appetizing for sure. Oh, I was thinking, where is the... Hi, good day. Thank you. I mean, yeah, pork. Pork, yes. Yes, what a surprise. What a surprise. And where the fuck we go now? Well, yeah. Now, after you eat your pork, maybe you decide, yeah, it's time. It's time that I have my phone tempered. So this is the place you go. I mean, maybe they have stress, you know, like the urge to make money, but I mean, it's nice. Just sit there, you know, whatever. Like these things I liked. They look nice. If you eat animals. What's this? Oysters. Crab. Squid. Yeah, I was about to say octopus, but squid, of course. Okay. It was nice. I mean, this is the most... as I said, I have been here many times, and this is the first time I have been to this place, and this is the place for eating. Thank you, man. No tempura for me today. Yeah, like more genuine, you know, like other than Jollibees and all this shit. There is a street here. I will check here and then go there. What's this? Sausage. Hello. No. Ooh. I was just craving for fried chicken. Wow. Thank you, man. No, man, no. What will I do? I'm tourist. It's a wrong area, wrong person to ask for cleaning material, you know. You should be selling this in Turkey. That may be Mandarin, 10 pesos. Isn't the Mandarin season must be over now? Well, I don't know. Maybe here it's different. I'm quite surprised. They don't like. I was expecting that I see a lot of like people drinking and like selling alcohol because they like alcohol here. I also do. So I mean, not to judge, you know, but to cherish. Mangoes, they look nice. Mangoes look nice. Maybe the Thai ones, I don't know. Maybe they are better. The first thing I do when I go home will be to try these chilies. I have some in my bag. Maybe Al, she wouldn't like it, but well. They are much more friendlier. I mean, come on, these ladies, they were willing to kill me in Ghana. Hi, how are you doing? They were willing to kill me in fucking Ghana. Hi. Oh, man. I mean, you can argue, you know, that like, yeah, it's not nice to record, but I mean, I think if you are not recording someone in particular, just putting the camera in their face, then it's fine, you know. Everybody records everything. So maybe they are too sensitive, the African ladies, I don't know. I still think about this, you know. It was a big trauma. Well, but then next time I go, I will record as well. I mean, as I said, it's sometimes like you make these people like they are in circus, you know. You see around YouTube and everywhere. Like you provoke them to act, but if you are just recording the street, I think it's fine. Like if you are recording the random moments, I think it's fine. If it's not fine, you should go to, I don't know, Boko Haram. You should go and join Boko Haram or ISIS. I'm sorry, it's 2024. So the people here they are very nice. I don't like their food, but they are nice. I needed to pee, you know. I was just so hesitant. I was too lazy. I needed to pee. Before I get the fuck out of that place, I needed to pee. Actually, I peed, but I needed to pee once more. I need to be patient. I was not. Look, motor oil, canola oil, I don't know. Same oil as the scooter uses. Hello, boys. Yeah, we were together recently. This place is nice. If you end up in Cebu for some reason, you can come here. It's a genuine place. I mean, the rest is shit, but this place is nice. It's where people are like normal, make their daily life, make their shopping, eat how the way they are. Oh. I mean, I have to admit, you know, because since I'm a smoker, it's very difficult here. Here, it's very hot. So to smoke outside, I don't like to smoke outside and disturb other people. So there's this place, that TGI Fridays. You know, sorry, I have to admit, you know. So I always go there when I'm here. I go there. It's like open air and closed air, like with air condition as well. So you can just smoke and drink beer there. So, and I don't disturb anyone because the people inside sitting there, all of them are smokers. So I think it's ethical, although some may argue that it's not. Yeah. I would like to pee in a street and leave my smell in the streets of Cebu as a good gesture, as a reminder. Well, maybe we should cancel this out. I don't know. Elle decides. I don't care. She decides. Yeah, let's go here. I think it's dying out. Soon we will go to the hotel as well. I'm hungry. Hungry and thirsty. You know, it's a little bit brain fucking, you know. I was just thinking, I was just 3-4 days ago drinking beer and watching NBA in a fucking rich neighborhood of suburban San Francisco. Now I'm here. I don't know. Hi, man. So it's kind of brain fucking. Like there it's completely different, here it's so different. Like I remember this guy at the barman, you know, like he's like he was so snob, you know. And people are much more nicer. Like, I mean, not to judge, you know. I'm sure he has his problems, but it's very different. Like you are kind of like if you travel so much like this, you are kind of, I think, you are kind of like a sociopath, you know. Because everywhere you go, you have to adapt the way they are living, you know. One day here, one day there. So you cannot act like you act in US here, and in US you cannot act like the way you act here. So. And like the transitions are very swift and very short. So I think it's kind of fucked up. Otherwise, you come here, you stay in the hotel, you eat from the hotel, then, you know, you don't care. But if you want to wander around, it kind of fucks up your brain, to say. It's nice, it's very nice. I'm not complaining, but hello Coke. Hello Mr. Coke. Hello. Oh. I'm sure they are making like cockfight here. I'm sure they do. Fucking, they don't care about animals here. This I don't like. They like really torture animals here. This I don't like. Well, you know, I think we are done. Everybody's going home. Who the fuck am I to hang on here? Hang on and look for a place to eat. Because I mean, I'm not gonna eat fried chicken after 5-6 years. Oh, look at this, so fancy. So, I think next time we see each other, it will be in Athens. We'll go to Rammstein concert. If you like our videos and our content, please do not forget to subscribe. Take care.